Hello guys, welcome to our live stream. I'm Draco. Today we will show you guys our new machine, the S-shape machine, the new version and the old version. And this is my colleague.
Hello guys, I'm Jessica. Welcome to our live stream.
So where is our overseas warehouse?
We have warehouses in US,
Yes.
UK, Australia.
Yeah. So if you are in these countries, we can provide faster shipping. Yeah. So after payment, you can receive the items about 2 to 3 working days. So it's very fast.
Yes. As for the S-shape machine, we can add the logo to the screen, and when you turn on the machine, you can see the logo on this touch screen.
So only customized logo on the touch screen. Anywhere else?
In the machine box is okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
So if our customer want to see our live stream later, how to do that?
You can if you have some topic you like, or you have some machines you want to watch, or the treatment you want us to show you the training, you also can leave the message in our live stream, and we can take your suggestions into consideration, and we can your suggestions is more important for us, and we will do the better jobs.
To our main topic today, so we mainly introduce our S-shape machine. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see this is old version S-shape 30K cavitation, and this is new version S-shape. So what's the difference between them?
Yes, and you can see these two has different machine box.
The appearance different.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Design, and you can see the handles are different, and you can hold the handle. Yes, and this one is more comfortable.
Yeah.
This one is the Cavitation 2.0,
yeah.
And this one is the Cavitation 2.5.
No, so their holding style is different.
Yeah.
So you can hold the handpiece like this. So if you do the treatment for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, you will not feel tired. Yeah.
Function.
So can you introduce the handpiece to our audience, like
Sure.
the face handpiece?
Yes, and about this one, it has the EMS and electropotation.
Yeah.
And the EMS on it can help you to lift your skin, tighten your skin, and it will reduce your wrinkle around the eyes, and it will make you anti-aging, right?
Yes.
And
so it has 2 functions on one handle, right? So can I do it together or separately, right?
yeah.
So what about this one?
And this one, it is the face vacuum and RF handle, and it has the vacuum and RF around. This one is the vacuum RF handle, and you can use on your face. This one, it can massage your face, and at the same time, it can tighten and lift your skin, anti-wrinkle also. So it also has 2 functions at the same time.
So next, I will introduce you guys our body handpiece. This is our new 30K cavitation handpiece. 2 functions on one handle, the cavitation, the 30K cavitation and the RF part together. Yes. And its advantage is the cavitation is 2.5. So it's more powerful. Use the cavitation and the RF together, or you can set the energy separately. Yeah. You can use the cavitation only, or use the RF only, all together. And as we said, the energy is focused on the middle part. So if you do the cavitation on your belly or abdomen or legs, the result it will be more effectively. Okay, the next one is working and the RF handle. And I will show you guys the suction. So can you help me?
Yeah.
So I will select after the RF working handpiece. Set the energy for RF, suction time for 1 and resistance for 0. You can see it's sucking my hand. Yeah, it's very tight. And some customer probably say the machine don't have suction. If you didn't, if you set the working number on 0, you will feel no suction. But if you set the suction intensity for middle or the maximum, you will feel the strong suction. Yes. So if you're using the machine, firstly you have to check your filter bottle. You have to check your filter bottle and make sure install it correctly and stably. Make sure you have adjusted the reasonable working intensity. Yes. So next is our regulator pies. About the pies, we have 6 pies, 6 big pies for the abdomen, belly, and thigh and the legs, and 2 small pies for your arms and small body areas. This pies is 5 milliwatts power, and the wavelength is 635 to 655 nanometer. Yes. This is our strengths. We have one set of strengths. It's one of them, and we have long strengths for the abdomen and the belly. Yeah. Okay, now we set the energy for the regulator pies. If you can see here, there's 3 modes: M1, M2, and M3. The M1 is continuously mode. The light is on forever. Yeah. So if you want to do the fat reducing quickly, so you can choose the model 1. Yeah.
Can you consolidate the effects of the body shaping weight loss?
Oh yeah. So if you want to maintain the body shaping effect, you can choose our model 2. The model 2 is a slow flashing mode. So, okay, the last mode, M3, you see it's fast flashing. Yeah. If you are beginner or the first user, you can set these modes. Our customer can't wait to see how to operate on our body.
Yeah, yeah.
So
let's do the treatment.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we are ready to do the cavitation and the RF treatment. Use our S-shape machine. Okay, firstly, she has to massage his belly, applying for some gel on her belly for 5 minutes. There is another question. The question is, what order do I use the rays? Oh yes. Firstly, you have to massage your abdomen for 5 minutes. Then you can use the cavitation RF handle, our 30K cavitation RF handle, for 10 to 15 minutes. And then you can take our working RF handle. Yeah, this is cavitation, 30K cavitation and the RF handle. And then you can use our working and the RF handle for 10 minutes. Yeah. And the final steps, you can take the lip laser piece, the body piece on her belly.
Then, do you have to put anything on the skin before the laser pass? Yes. Before you using the lip laser pass, you can put the gel on the skin. And I can see the gel. Like this. You can put it on the skin. And then you can use the lip laser pass. And we sell the gel on our website. You can buy it on our eBay and Amazon and our own website. And this one, hot cream is also okay. These two, you can buy these two on our website.
If you place an order in our live stream, you buy the machine, we will send you gel and hot cream as free gift.
Yes. 30K cavitation can act on the deeper fat laser and reduce stubborn fat, help you get fat reduction results and help you skin tightening.
Okay, thank you. Before the cavitation treatment, you can, we recommend you use our gel or hot cream and RF treatment as well. But if you do the suction and the RF treatment, better to use the thin massage oil to avoid clog the feeder, the handpiece suction. Make sure the suction handle get better lifetime. Okay, now we have done the cavitation and RF treatment for about 10 minutes. Now we will do the next treatment, the RF and the working handle to massage his skin. Okay. Okay, firstly we have to set the energy for RF, then set the time for suction and release. It's okay. Some customers want to know the treatment order for face handpiece. We recommend you do the EMS and the EL first. Yes, to relax your face. Then we can do the RF handpiece, RF suction handpiece. Later we will show you guys how to operate the face handpiece on his face.
For the face handles, how many times a week can I use it? Okay, when you use the face handles, we recommend 2 to 3 times a week. How often should cavitation RF treatment be done?
Yes, good question. How often should we use the cavitation and RF treatment? So I recommend you do the cavitation or RF treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Yes. One session, in one session you can do the cavitation treatment for 10 to 15 minutes and RF cavitation, RF suction treatment for 10 to 15 minutes. Then use the lip laser piece to keep the shaping effect for 30 minutes. Each session about 45 to 60 minutes. So if you want to see the obviously result, at least to take 10 to 12 weeks to see the results. What should we do before cavitation treatment? Firstly, you have to drink a lot of water before cavitation. Yes, because the ultrasonic cavitation is a non-surgical fat loss process. During the treatment, it will make your skin dry, so you have to drink lots of water before the cavitation treatment. And after treatment, you also to drink plenty of water as well. We do not recommend to take a shower after cavitation treatment immediately. Better to take a shower after 8 to 12 hours. Now the RF and the suction treatment is ending, and now we use the lipilaser pies on her belly to keep the shaping effect. Firstly, we have to tie the strands, then put the lipilaser pies inside. Okay, so after cavitation and RF treatment, then we can use the lipilaser pies to keep the shaping effect for 30 to 45 minutes. She said, how do you test the handpiece to ensure it's working effectively? Now we set the energy for 10 maximum, yes. Then start it. If you take the handpiece to touch the surface of the water, you can hear a continuously buzzing sound. It means it's working for now. This one method, and I will show you guys another method. Yes, the second method, when we set the energy to maximum, you touch the cavitation parts, you can feel a slight vibration. Yes, and you can also hear a small noise. Yes, that's working as well. And now we test the RF. Also, we set the energy for RF. Yes, you have to put your hand on the handpiece for 10 to 30 seconds to feel the hot from the RF.
Okay, now we will do the face care treatment. We use the RF vacuum handle.
Okay.
Okay, now it is the vacuum RF handle, and we can use it on the face, on our chin, and it can help you to tighten your skin and massage. And now he do it on the head, forehead.
So how many minutes that she do the RF and the suction treatment on his face?
We recommend 10 to 15 minutes for one session.
Okay. And now the treatment is over. You guys can follow our channel, Mychway Channel, YouTube, Inst, and Facebook, TikTok. Today our live stream is over. So see you guys next time.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.